In today's quick and easy tutorial, I will show you in super easy steps how to create these Superduo retro flowers earrings. They are extremely easy to make, so stay with me and we will create them together. Okay guys, so what I'm using for this video are 10 seed beads in pink color, Superduo or twin beads, it will work with both, 4mm pink pearls, 6 pieces, earring findings. This is Fusionline, which is budget-friendly variation of Fireline, but you could use nylon thread or either favorite thread of yours. This is size 11 beading needle, use similar size, and I use here scissors as well. What I'm taking for my first step is 40 centimeters of thread, which is 16 inches, and I will take those beautiful Superduo or twin beads. The ones that I'm using here are twin beads, but it will also work with Superduos. They are very similar. So I take 12 of those on my needle. You see, 12. And I'm going to slide those down. Then what I want to do at this step is to make here, guys, a knot. And how I'm making it, I'm making a loop and I'm going twice through the loop I've made and I'm pulling. And I want to make just one more knot. Okay, let's do even one more to be sure it's all tight and secure. Now you see what we have here, guys. We have them arranged in this way. So what I want to do next is go through some beads in this direction. And as I'm exiting through this Superduo, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will go through the 6th one, which is exactly the opposite one. So, and I pass through it. Then I'm going to reinforce here like that. And I want to pass through the pearl one more time, guys. Let's fix it in the center very well. Then I'm going to zigzag like this. And here, when I zigzag in my next step, I want to take just one pink 10 bead and I'm going like this through the outer hole of my Superduo. I take another pink one and I go one more time through the outer hole. Now guys, what I want to do is to flip my work. And I'm going to continue adding pink beads everywhere. Okay, now my friends, I have this, and what I want to do in my next step is just to go and reinforce this beautiful retro flower with Superduo beads and pearls that we did in just minutes. Okay, now at this step what I want to do is to cut this thread here as close as possible to your work, and if it shows, burn it with a zipper. Now guys, I want to create absolutely the same way 2 more of those elements. Okay, and because it's extremely and super easy, I'm sure you can just rewind the video and do it by yourself. And now, my friends, I'm going to show you how to connect those into one earring. I'm going to take the one that I just created, and I want to connect it to this one that I created second. In order to do this, I'm taking one seed bead, I'm passing here through this pink one, another pink, pass here, and go like this. And reinforce the connection. And then I'm going here to make a knot like this, pull, go through some beads, and just cut again this thread. Okay, in the same way I'm going to connect this one here. I'll do this off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, and when I connected the third one I have this, and if you noticed here, I attached them to the opposite beads, which means here I have 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and these are the opposite. So this is how I attach them. So here I want to attach my earring finding, and I count 1 2 3 4 5, and here at the 6th one I take a seed bead, an earring finding, and a seed bead, and I go back in circle, just like that. And I reinforce. Now here I will make a loop, go twice through the loop I've made, pull, and go through some beads. Okay, and now my retro flowers Superduo beads earrings are ready. Okay guys, and now my beautiful retro flowers Superduo beads long earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more absolutely free tutorials like this one, subscribe with the black bell, like, share and comment, and YouTube will show you more of my content. If you want exclusive video courses and PDF patterns, you can check also the membership option. Link in description and at the join button. Now see you in the next video.